Mother. Damn. Damn. That's just sick, dude. Damn, dude. I am freaking excited, man. We are continuing on our installation of the Aspec Kit. Last night I finished removing all the stuff, and if you guys are new, I'm building a 4th gen TL. I got the Aspec Kit and I'll be installing it today. Be sure to follow me and follow the build. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. But before we start, we have to get some fuel first real quick. What's the fuel? Let's eat first.
If you haven't tried rambutan, it is good. You make sure you try it because it is yummy.
We got to do one last thing, is mount that TV up on that wall right there, and there it is. Guys, finally we begin. So the instructions I'm going to be using is installation instructions, and I'm gonna basically copy how they do it. What's nice is where you got a drill and stuff. There's already, if you look here, there's like a little mark here. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's right there. I'm not sure if the camera can see it, but that's where you got a drill right in the center of it. There's another one over there. And I'll be using these radiator zip ties or automatic trench. Well, whatever this is. I thought it was radiator zip ties. This is what I'll be using. I gotta glue it onto the Aspec Kit, and you'll slowly see the process. So let me do all the drilling and all that stuff, and you'll see. So before we begin, I did put a carpet under the bumper, that way it's not scratching the paint all up. And I do have to remove the fog light assembly, and just follow the instruction, guys, on the installation instruction on my phone. So I got the holes all drilled out on all sides, on both sides. Now I'll be using these wipes and some rubbing alcohol, and I'll be cleaning the bottom bumper off because we'll be using some 3M tape to stick that on there. We want to make sure that we have a clean surface, not all dirty. That way this will stick very well. So let's go ahead and do that. I did forget to drill out the holes for the bottom bumper, part of the bumper, but there's, like I said, there's a mark there. It's like it looks like an X-Men symbol. You'll see it. And that's where you got to drill, right in the middle of it. As it's time to put these zip ties, special zip ties, onto the bumper. I was able to actually put marks on it. See that yellow mark right there, another yellow mark right there. So I put the lip kit on the front bumper, and with these holes that I have on there, I took a Q-tip and put some paint marker on it, and I went straight through to mark my holes, or to make the mark, so I know where to put these. So now I'm going to use this permatex plastic welder to put it on the lip. That was not fun. This is a long process, guys. Yeah, it smells really bad. Just kind of gotta hold it on there piece by piece. I got this curing. It's already cured. Zip tie, 3M tape. It's ready to go, pretty much. Everybody, I hope you guys can see this. It's time to move on to the rear bumper. This is basically in the way. I gotta cut this whole section out, so here we go. They're really hard to find, but if you get a flashlight and shine it, you'll kind of see it, guys. But all the marks are there to make your holes. So all the holes are made. All right, here we go. And I put some painters so that way it'll hold, so that I can make my holes, line it up, glue some zip ties on there. So the holes I made, I actually used this. I stuck it through so I can paint it, or I can mark it so I can put my zip ties on there. You'll see it eventually. It was just like the Aspec Kit on the front. But I gotta drill 2 more holes here, here, and then 2 more over here on the other side. Once I mark it all up, I'll take it back off, put zip ties. Whew, we are almost done, guys. To be honest, this is not fun. First time, pain in the butt. If I would had the OEM parts, I would have been like done in like maybe 3 hours. This is literally taking like a good 8 hours already. I don't know. It's a pain in the butt, guys. No, honey, you cannot sit in there. Nope. All right, guys, one of the last few things I gotta do. See that rear tail light, which is right here. I just got to drill a hole right here somewhere and right here somewhere. According to Acura, there's supposed to be a template, and I don't have it, so I'm just kind of gonna shoot in the dark, you know what I'm saying? There's 2 versions of this installation. There was one for August 2010 issue date, and there's October 2010. I'm using the August 2010 with a template, because the one without the template, it doesn't want you to put any holes here, and I actually need the holes here so I can make zip ties for it, so that way it'll be more flush with the bumper. So gotta do both sides, guys. You literally have to be good with your hands to install this. Like, you have to have a lot of confidence, guys. But hey, I mean, if you guys can do it, man, more power to you. They're all in, guys. But I'm gonna let the rear cure overnight. Oh, I've been at it for like 8 hours, I think. I'm so tired. It's like 11:30. It's late, 1 in the morning. I'll do the rear tomorrow. Tomorrow's already, the rear is already set and ready to go. Hopefully these things dry up really well. Although it takes only 10 minutes to cure. We'll do that tomorrow. We'll put this on tonight. And I'm not gonna record, I'm really tired. I'm just gonna slap it on real quick. Hopefully it's all good. Oh, to put them on, guys, you have to, for these 3M tape, the little cover for them, you have to kind of peel them a little bit, so that way when you put them on, you'll peel them off. Hey, check it out, man. Pretty happy, guys. It's a little space there, but once I put the zip tie clip on, that'll be good. All I gotta do now, start peeling, man. This is like my favorites. Oh, I can't even talk right, I'm so tired. Favorite part of the job right here. Ooh, check it out, man. It's finally on. Damn, dude, I am freaking excited, man. Tired and excited. Dude, that's just tight, man. Looks really good. Front's done. I can finally put it on tomorrow. Let's get the rear put together. I'll see y'all tomorrow.
1 eternity later.
Good job, Lily. I actually have 5 double-sided tapes stacked up on each other so that it'll actually reach the bumper. Let's install it actually. There we go. It's almost done. Let's go ahead and pull these. So satisfying pulling these things for some reason. I don't know why. Looks good. All right. Whoa, look at that, it cracked, dude. Thought I heard something. Sheesh. These zip ties don't actually have the extra printed stuff all the way down here, so it actually won't grip. So what I'm doing is installing these nuts for like a spacer, and that should be good. Damn, that's wild, dude. Look at that, cracked already. It's on there. Not exactly a perfect fit. I don't like that gap right here, but whatever. Make sure it's nice and even. Okay. Looks pretty even to me.
I know, but you still told me.
Alright. Kinda ghetto, guys, but it works. I used nuts as spacers. I didn't know what else to use. That's all I had. Oh shit, come on. Ah, there you go. Oh, look at that, it cracked. Oh, no it's not. That's a piece of hair. Whew, I thought, thank goodness. I'm squeezing it so that way the double-sided tape will adhere to the bumper. This was really tight to put on because I had put these bolts on first and I did not make the holes in the bumper bigger, so it was really hard to adjust it. So I got really discouraged, guys, but we're good now. It's just gonna be awesome. Whew. Wish there was two people or another person to help me. Oh, that's why I wasn't going properly. Let's have to go up a little bit. Okay, there we are. Very nice. Very nice. Oh man, I gotta clean this car up. Okay, fitment looks right. Damn, I don't like how this sticks out, but that's gonna have to do. Mother. Damn. Damn. That's just sick, dude. Oh my gosh. Whew. I gotta take a photo of this. Sick, dude. That's just nasty, bro. Ooh. Super excited. That gloss, man. Yeah, I gotta wash that gloss up already. I see all my fingerprints on it. Oh, it looks so good. Very, very nice. Final press in. See, that bends pretty well. Not bad. You guys for watching, man. I appreciate you guys watching, guys. Don't forget to like if you like the video, subscribe, and that was so worth all the pain and all the suffering, guys. It looks so much better now. The kit is actually not bad. It's not perfect, but it works and it looks really good. But it ain't perfect, but thanks guys for watching, man. Appreciate it.